Hey guys, for today's video, I'll be making this creamy potato soup with these ingredients: 3 garlic cloves, 1 white onion, 3 potatoes peeled and chopped into cubes, 1 carrot peeled and chopped into cubes, 1½ slice of butter, 3 pieces of celery chopped, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour mixed with 1 glass of water, 4 cups of fresh milk, 4 cups of fresh milk, and salt and pepper to taste, specifically 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. After chopping the potatoes into cubes, put them into boiling water and wait for 15 to 20 minutes in high heat. You can add some salt to make it boil faster. Once that's done, drain them using a colander or strainer, and then use a ladle, fork, or potato masher if available to mash the potatoes until like this. I actually don't have a potato masher. Once mashed, prepare another pot, turn on the heat, and add butter, then add garlic and onions once melted. Once the garlic and onions became brown and translucent in color, add bacon, carrots, and celery, and mix them until evenly coated in butter or if they're golden brown. Add 4 cups of fresh milk and stir for a bare simmer. Place the mashed potatoes in the milk and stir until the mashed potatoes became dissolved inside. For a thicker soup, you can add an all-purpose flour-water mixture into a soup and mix it in order to incorporate the flour-water mixture into the soup and allow it to thicken even more. Do not forget to add salt and pepper to taste, and to add some hot water if this soup is becoming too thick. After a short time for boiling for about 5 minutes, turn off the heat and serve it in a bowl. Here in this small bowl, a finished product of my very own creamy potato soup. Thank you so much for watching, as always.